Welcome to the Searching for Content module on LexisPSL. Today, we are going to have a look at searching the different content available on PSL using connectors. All practice area modules will have the Browse Topic section on the left-hand side of the screen. You will also have the option to search for different content on the right-hand side of the screen. Let us begin by searching for a practice note in the Practice Notes section. Practice notes provide you with up-to-date practice notes written by our professional support lawyers to guide you through your daily client work and highlights the key issues of a legal process or transaction. You have the option to search for practice notes and checklists, practice notes alone, or checklists alone. I can run my search using terms and connectors against the title to all practice notes, or ask PSL to search my terms anywhere within the practice notes. Let us search for covenant within the same paragraph as release. To learn more about using connectors on PSL, please see the Search Techniques in PSL module. You now have 10 practice notes available on screen. Under each result, there is a snapshot of your original search terms in the context of the practice note. This will allow you to tell at a glance whether or not the document is relevant. Clicking into a practice note will allow you to see your original search terms highlighted in red. Let us now search for cases. You will now notice that my individual search forms now appear in the center of the screen. Click into Cases. I have the option to search against case names, search terms, or citation. Let us search for all cases in PSL property that mention or refer to planning permission within the same sentence as change of use. Remember that I do not need a connector between planning permission because the two words are a phrase and I want the two words to appear next to each other. I also do not need a connector between change of use because I want change of use to appear as a phrase. Click Search. The results list alerts you to the fact that it has found 116 results. The first page is displaying results 1 to 25. To show the next page of results, click on the blue box with the arrow pointing right to display the next 25 results on screen. Cases are returned in reverse chronological order, so your most recent case will always appear at the top of the list. We will now look at searching in legislation. In the legislation search form, I wish to look for Section 2 of the Landlord and Tenants Covenants Act 1995. In the provision field, enter your section number. Although in print the Act title has brackets around the word covenant, I do not need to enter brackets in LexisPSL. Click Search. The results page provides me with a link to my section. I have the option to navigate between my different sections from the left-hand side menu. There is also an option to view the whole of my Act as one continuous document in PDF format by clicking on the link to view full enactment. Click Open. This will open up the whole of the Act in PDF format. To return to the in-house homepage, click on the link to LexisPSL in the top left-hand corner. Let us now have a look at the forms available in LexisPSL in-house. Forms in PSL are browsable only. This page neatly sets out all forms relevant to my practice area, from where I can easily locate my form. Forms are available in Microsoft Word format, or some forms are also available in Lexis Smart. To learn more about Lexis Smart, please see further iLearning modules. In some instances, we may even refer you to third-party websites such as Companies House. Let us have a look at an MG01 form. By clicking onto the blue link, we open up the form in a separate window. This particular form has come from the Companies House website. Let us now have a look at the Precedents tab. We have the option to search for the title of the precedent if we know the title. Alternatively, we can enter keywords using connectors in the search terms box, which will search for your keywords anywhere within the precedent document and not just in the title. In the title field, let us enter contract or agreement and lease. The OR connector allows you to look for variations of a word. So in this search, PSL will look for contract and lease and agreement and lease. Click Search. The results list will detail the title of the precedent document and the source of publication. Let us have a look at a precedent drafted by the LexisPSL team. Those precedents drafted by our PSL team will be accompanied with drafting notes for guidance that open in a separate window. At the top of the precedent, look out for the Download Precedent into Word option, which is available for precedents drafted by the PSL team. Clicking on the link opens the precedent into a Word document, from where you can easily amend the document. A useful feature of the Word document is that if you delete a clause from the precedent, the Word document automatically renumbers all remaining clauses. Let us go back to our results list by clicking on the link to Return to Results. As well as searching for a precedent document, on the right-hand side of the search form, you have a section listing the top 20 precedents based on the most popular and frequently used precedents. If you can't find the precedent you are looking for, click on the link to View All. This opens a list of all precedents available in your practice area. For more assistance with searching within any of the search templates, click on the link to Help in the top right-hand corner. This concludes the Searching for Content in PSL module.